I'm here today with an urgent message about the spread of flavor. Dan-O's seasoning is low sodium, all natural, no sugar, no chemicals, seasoning the way it should be made. And we're spreading it throughout the country. So let's stop the spread of everything else and start spreading real flavor. At this moment, I'd like to open up the floor and answer a few questions. You, sir, with the cowboy hat.
Toothpick with Flavortown News. What all do you put Dan-O's seasoning on?
Well, that's a great question, Toothpick, and I love that name. Dan-O's is good on anything. Chicken, fish, steak, seafood, and you don't even have to cook with it. You can use it like a salt and pepper and put it on your scrambled eggs or a baked potato. Next question.
Toothpick with the Flavortown Herald. How spicy is the spicy?
Great question. There's 2 toothpicks in the house. Dan-O's is not super hot. It's just right. Yum, yum, get you some.